Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jordan. Today we are going to be doing our December Ipsy and Birchbox. I know it's kind of late because December is pretty much over, but because of the holidays, things have been crazy and I haven't had time to sit down and open these, so forgive me. Alright, let's start with Birchbox. It is so gloomy out today. It makes me really tired. Like, I slept in really late today. For some reason, I just could not wake up. And I'm like, so tired. I had 2 cups of coffee and it didn't really help. Wow, look at this box. Oh my god. This is so cool. This is really nice. Wow. I would use this for like my jewelry. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cool. Hey you. Let's start with our first item. Ooh. I never know how to say this brand, so sorry if I mess it up. Malin and Goetz. Brightening Enzyme Mask. The full size of this is $55. This exfoliates with AHAs and pumpkin enzymes. So this is a chemical exfoliant, which I have been really into lately because my skin, as you guys probably know, I have been struggling with some like really stubborn breakouts on my forehead, and my skin has just recently started to clear up, and I have been avoiding physical exfoliants because my skin is just like healing, and when you exfoliate with physical exfoliators like microbeads and stuff like that, it puts little micro tears in your skin. So if you have healing blemishes up here and then you cut them, essentially, it makes it harder for them to heal and it takes longer for them to heal. And so I have been kind of staying away from any of that stuff while my skin has been healing and getting back to normal. I have been using AHAs. I have a chemical exfoliant from Good Molecules that I have been loving. I forget what it's called, but it's an overnight exfoliating treatment. It's like a serum you put on. I'll link it down below. It's really good. So I'm really into this. Ooh! Briogeo Matcha and Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo. No sulfates, silicones, or parabens. I have been actually really wanting to try this stuff. I'm surprised to find this in my Birchbox. Pleasantly surprised. I love Briogeo stuff, but it's pricey. So this is cool to get in my box. Oh, it smells so good and apple-y. The full size is $28. Okay, I guess it's not that pricey, but for dull and parched hair. Girl, my hair is parched. Next, oh, the conditioner. Yay! These are both $28, full size. Ooh, Lancome eye makeup remover. Cool. Full size of this is $30. The full size of this is $30. Makeup remover. Model Co. Highlighting Shimmer Whip. Full size of this is the full size of this is $15. This is the first time, this is the first time they're sampling this in Birchbox, and this too. That explains why I was so surprised to see this in my box. First time sampling this, and Malin and Goetz. Sorry, I'm messing it up, I know, but this brand is new to Birchbox. So this Shimmer Whip is a liquid highlighter. It's an interesting shade. Ooh, that's really pretty actually. The shade is Cosmo, sorry. Shade is Cosmo. That might be too light for me, but that's pretty. Cool. Their brow gel, really like. And lastly is this Love of Color Liquid Shimmer Shadow in the shade Dusk. The full size of this is $10. I really like these. I've gotten these products a few times in my Ipsy and Birchbox, and they're really pretty. Wow, I love that shade. I don't have anything that looks like that either right now. I don't have a liquid that is that shade. And these last pretty long, these sample sizes. All right, that was a good box. I feel like I'm putting highlighter on my face because I'm gonna use this makeup remover and take these off my hand. Wow, that's really hard to open. There we go. The highlighter is stubborn. It says it doesn't leave a greasy residue. I would say that's accurate. It's not greasy. My skin feels very soft. Okay, now Ipsy. Ooh, shiny. They include a card in here with all about each product inside, but they don't put the prices. So the first item is Tarte Park Ave Princess bronzer. I haven't used this in forever. I had one in my Ipsy that was a bigger sample than this. I'm excited to use this again. It's kind of shimmery. Ooh, it smells so good. Has like a sheen to it. It smells kind of like Physicians Formula butter bronzer. Smells kind of like that, like summery and sunscreeny. And the full size of this is, I think it's $38. Or sorry, I think it's $30. Full size. Beauty for Real lip gloss in the shade Sunlight. Oh yeah, now with Ipsy you get to choose a product every month, and I chose this. This is the lip gloss. And that is $18. And they have 13 shades. But if you buy it on Ipsy, it's $10.80. And if you buy this on Ipsy, it's $27. If you're a member. Next item is the Aromatica Rose Absolute First Serum. Vegan serum. Oh, it's a toner and a serum with natural plants and herbs to balance, hydrate, and illuminate your skin. It has Bulgarian damask rose oil, aloe vera, and niacinamide. It smells like rose. There's a little dropper on the top. So you can't buy this on the Ipsy website. It's not showing up. It's a K-Beauty brand. It's $44. Okay, Belief the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Cool. My sister uses this, but the gel one, I have really dry skin, so I feel like this would be perfect for me. Full size of this is $38, but if you're an Ipsy member, you shop it on Ipsy, it's $34.20. And the last item is nail polish. Ooh, that's a cool color. It's called Strut. That's pretty. 7 free. No sketchy ingredients. Metallic gray shade, it says. From a gender inclusive beauty brand. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool looking. So I'm really bad at painting nails. I like that a lot. Alright. So let's try out some of our new items. In our Birchbox, we got 2 hair, 2 skin, I'll call this skincare, and 2 makeup. And then in our Ipsy bag, we got 2 skin, 1 nail polish, and 2 makeup. Okay, it didn't crack. 2 makeup. Alright, I'll be right back with most of my face done, and we will just dive right into these. But these are really dark. And I really still need to get my brows done. So I'm unhappy with the brows right now, but let's move on. So I'm gonna start with the highlighter. I haven't set my face. I did my foundation, I haven't set my face. I'm nervous about this highlighter, but we're just gonna go with it. I guess I'm just gonna use my beauty blender or my Real Techniques sponge. It's very silver. It applies in like patches and it dries really fast. Like it's already dry on my hand. I don't know how I feel about this. If it was in the right shade maybe, but it's like it dries really fast. So like right where you apply it, I look like the Tin Man. This is strange. Okay, I'm just gonna set my face. I should also note that it probably doesn't help that I am wearing a foundation shade that is too dark for me. My mom gave me this sample that she got, Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation in light medium sand, and it's too dark for me, but we are just gonna pretend it's fine. I don't know how it looks on camera, but in real life, it's too dark. Let's take off my lip. I'm not liking this look so far. I know I like this bronzer. I think I just had like Hoola still on my brush when I went in, so this side is really red. And I don't like these two colors mixed together, especially on my nose. It just looks like crazy. Now let's go into the eyes. So I just used the Morphe 35M palette for my lids and wing. And I'm going to now use this on my lid. And I'm going to put it on my hand first, because I don't want it to get too overboard too quickly. So I'm going to use this brush and apply. We could try patting it on the other eye and see what that does. This color is so pretty. It's very foiled. It looks more smooth and shimmery when you use this, or when you use a brush, it makes it look more foiled, which I don't totally love because I feel like it makes it look lumpy. I don't know if that makes sense, but foiled eyeshadows aren't totally my favorite. I'm gonna do my mascara and I'll be right back. Here are the eyes. Oh wait, let me just blend. It's kind of hard to blend this edge now because it's dried, so just be sure if you're using these to blend this when it's not dried yet. But these are the eyes, the final eyes. And I'm still using this Wander Beauty mascara that I got in my Birchbox a while ago. And I'm still really liking it. I use it every day. And I feel like I just messed up my eyeshadow, but it's fine. So now, let's go in with the gloss. This is the Beauty For Real gloss in Sunlight. Smells kind of minty. I don't know if you can see the shimmer. Ooh, it feels minty too, but very subtly. I feel like this would be pretty with a lip liner or as a topper, but I like this a lot. I was nervous because gold glitter lip colors always look really bad on me. I don't know if it's my skin tone or what it is, but they always look so bad on me, so I was nervous about this, but the glitters in here are actually pretty subtle when it's on, so I like this. And I like the feeling of it. All right, let's go over our final thoughts. So the highlighter, I think it has a really nice texture. The really fine shimmer that it gives. It's not chunky, it's very fine. I like it a lot. I just don't like this color for me specifically, but I would try other colors of this. You just have to work quickly because it dries really fast. I was trying to pick it up and put it on, and there would be more product in spots on my beauty blender and it would stick in a patch and not blend out. I think it's blended out now, but I can't really tell. I liked the formula of this overall. I think for $15, this is a pretty good liquid highlighter as long as you have your shade. Really pretty color. I would probably apply it with this or with my finger next time to try to get it to be less foiled, because when I first put it on with this, it was a lot smoother, but I wanted to blend in this line a bit, so I went in with the brush and went over the whole thing just to make it the same, and it turned out to be a bit more foiled than it was with just the doe foot applicator. So, but I love these. They last a really long time, and they're really pretty, and they're really easy to use. The only thing is, they dry, and if you're gonna try to blend out the edge, blend it out a little bit quicker than I did. Because I waited until it was completely dry to try to blend it out, and that didn't really work. So yeah, I am a fan of these though. And those are also, this full size is $10. That's a really good price for a shimmer shadow. I would say definitely worth it. Tarte Amazonian Clay Bronzer. I love this. I don't know why it applied so weirdly. I think it was just my brush. It was just, had color on it already. But I love this bronzer, and I'm going to continue to be using this. I love this scent. I don't remember it smelling like this before, but I like it. And this gloss I really like. It's very simple. You can put it on top of stuff. I love having a simple gloss to keep in my purse, and I did have my Fenty Gloss Bomb in my purse, but it leaks a ton. So I don't want that one in my purse anymore, and I've been switching out glosses in my purse. And I think this would be a good one to keep in there, so I'm going to put it in there and use it. This is the perfect gloss for a no makeup day or to top a lip color. So yeah, I'm really happy with all of those items. I messed up my fingernail, but I like that nail polish color, and I need to paint my nails today, so maybe I'll use this. I don't really love this so far, but I'll try it on my eye makeup and see if I feel differently. I'm just like kind of over using makeup removers where you need a cotton pad, because it's been like really irritating my skin using cotton pads, and it's super wasteful as well. So I've been using a cleansing balm and a cleansing oil, and I'm liking that a lot more. So I kind of already feel like I'm not really going to use this, but I'll give it a try. I'm just not into using cotton pads anymore. I'm excited. I think these were both good boxes, and I'm really impressed with the products that I got. And this Birchbox I will definitely use and keep and put jewelry in or something, because this is really pretty and cute, and I like the message on it. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time I post a video. Thanks for watching. Bye!